So this is how to buy Arbitrum crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys have the app open, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass or the search icon. At the top where it says search by name or symbol, go ahead and start typing in Arbitrum and then press it. Once you're on the Arbitrum page, at the bottom, press buy. Then in the top right, you can select market order if you want to adjust the order type. I will leave it at Canadian dollars. Once you're here, you can type in how much Arbitrum you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do just $1 worth, for an example, you could type in $1 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the transaction, so you can see how much Arbitrum you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good to you, go to the bottom and just drag and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how to buy Arbitrum crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.